guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the SAVILAND acrylic nail kit that I purchased from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link below if you guys are interested. You know, the nail stuff can be very pricey. So this is my first kit that I buy from Amazon that is acrylic. So yeah, let's experience this together and see how it goes, guys. So I try to get like a cheap alternative for now. I have a surprise later on for future videos. I'm going to be uploading another kit, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a little bit more pricier, but you guys will see it. So look at the box. That is so beautiful. Let's take a look at this. They're so beautiful. So let's see what we have right here, what we got for a little kit. And I think this kit, I think I got it for $15.99 or $20, one of those two. But yeah, as I said before, I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can check it out. Okay, so right here, we're going to have these forms. Perfect forms, it says right there. Summer edition, I guess. Right now, that's nice. It has a lot of them. I see that. Let's open this up. Okay, it has the files, the cuticle oil. Let me see if I can figure out how to open it. It's hard, guys. Bear with me. Especially when you're working with one hand right here. Let me see. Okay, so it's going to be the nail forms right there, as I said. And right here is going to be the files, the 100 to 180. That is beautiful. Another one right here, 100 to 180. Get a better close-up of it. Esa la mami. Say hi, mommy. She's playing with her toys right now. Okay, so we have this one right here, a thinner one. Right there, we have this one. That's nice. They have two different types of files right there. Okay, let's go with the other one. Cuticle oil. Okay, just like a simple one. Then this one for the nail edger cutter right there. And a trimmer. And then this brush, bristles, nice. Generic one. Okay, there you go. And then we have the brushes right here, number 12, number 10, number 6. That's pretty nice. I like that they even include that in there, just in case you guys don't have any brushes. Like I barely have any, so so that's nice that they include that there. Okay, and there's gonna be the monomer right here. Look at that pretty box. I love that it matches with the outsider of the box. I have bought one of these before, but it was a different packaging. And it's gonna be, I think, how many ounces? 4 ounces? Yeah. 4.06 ounces. Ooh, I love that it's sealed right there. See right there, so it doesn't spill over. I love it. I think this is a 16 ounce. It's pretty big, so that's good. Okay, and the one that I had bought, like I did like the quality of it. I know it's on the cheaper side, but it's still good for beginners to start off with something, you know, at least. So I know the more expensive ones work better, but hey, you can work with what you have, right? And then right here, I got it for this too because I love that it had a lot of acrylic powders. So because they can get very pricey. Because I was searching on Amazon and stuff for acrylic powders, and yeah, they're pretty pricey. So I was like, hey, let me just try something that's like a little kit that I can just try it on. Having troubles opening those, guys. I don't want to mess my nails too. No, that's fine. Okay, so let me see. See, I love that. So it has 10 of them. Does it have anything else? Oh, just right there if you guys want to pause it and get their information right there. Oh, has right here this little pamphlet. Tells you more about it. Okay. I love that they include that because it's useful sometimes, you know, especially when you're starting to do stuff. I love that they have that instructions and stuff. I've been watching like a few videos too of how to like better my acrylic application, you know, on my nails. But anyway, let's see the colors right here. Ooh, look at that one. So beautiful. Let's see from the bottom, you can see it better. Okay, khaki. There's gonna be some glitters on it. That is beautiful. So nice. I love it. It is like mix on that one. Let's just put it like upside down so you guys can actually see it better. Next one, we have this one. I love this. It's a pure adhesive. Okay, this one is going to be in red plum. Look at that sparkle. I love it. Excuse my nails, guys. They're a little dry because I was doing some work earlier right now for hands crafting. Okay, this is bean paste. Got that one. This other one, soybean powder. I love that I have like lighter shades and darker ones, you know, because I get bored easily with, you know, if I have only a few of them. Bean paste on this one. Okay, AH 10 it says right there. Look how beautiful. Okay, this other one, camel. The pinkies. Okay, this one is going to be in silver. Look at all the sparkles, so beautiful. Ooh, gonna have fun with these. Okay, this one is a white, just white powder, I guess. This is in clear. And I know clear, I've been hearing that it's harder to work with. I already tried one and it was. So let me see. This one is in bean paste. Okay, I guess it's a different one from the one earlier. And yeah, so that's the color, guys. Let me see. Let me align them better so you guys can actually see the names. Oh, I love this pink, the red plum. This is right there. Okay, let me align them. You can hear the box moving. Let me see. Okay, so there you go again, guys. You guys can have a better look at them. Look at those glitter ones. I love it. So yeah, what I think about this kit, I love it. I love that it has a little bit of everything. So, you know, if you're starting to doing acrylic nails just like me and you're a beginner, then it's great that it comes with all these items in there, just because you can already get started, you know, without being too pricey in the beginning when you're starting off. So I love that they have this little kit. If you start learning how to do this like in a cheaper way, like when you splurge yourself and buy the more expensive, you know, quality items, then you're going to become a pro easily. So I think that if you can actually start off managing these ones that are a little bit more complicated and harder, you'll learn the other ones that are pricier faster. So I love that. And I love that these are pink. It's so beautiful. It was the last item on the package, so I didn't see it, guys. So it comes with the dapping dish, a very small one. So yeah, there you go, guys. Okay, so that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, share this video, subscribe, guys. Put on your notifications. It really helps out my channel, guys. And I'll talk to you next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye, mommy. Bye, guys.